Alright, what's up everybody? So welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm pretty excited to do a video comparison between the GoPro Hero 7 Black with the GoPro Hero 6. After this video, I would like you to make your own judgment on whether which one you think is the suitable one for you to go for. Because if you choose the right one, you might save about $150. Otherwise, you will waste lots of money just to go with the wrong one. Okay, so without further delay, let's get into this. Okay, well, as you can see, when switching to 4K 60 frames per second, the stabilization on the GoPro Hero 6 is not available. Therefore, the video looks very shaky. So the question is, why not going for 30 frames per second instead of 60 frames per second? What is the difference between 30 frames and 60 frames per second? Why? If it is not available on the 60 frames per second, so why not choosing 30 frames per second on the GoPro Hero 6? As you can see, it's just one frame rate different function. The price is also different. And I'm going to explain you guys what those frame rates are and why they are important and what's the difference between 60, 30 or 120 frame rates per second. Now let's jump into another comparison. Okay guys, so this is the audio test between these two gadgets. Now I'm handheld these two GoPros and I'm speaking at the same time. I'm going to switch my voice automatically between the GoPro Hero 6 and the GoPro Hero 7S Black. The Go Hero 7 Black, not S, sorry. So you guys have to pay close attention to my signal on the video, whether now the sound is on the GoPro Hero 6 or the sound is on GoPro Hero 7. Okay, So I'm going back. You can differentiate between these two gadgets. You can decide, you can judge which one is better than the other one. Okay guys, so as you can see, running and on bike testing, the result from those comparison is almost identical. It's really hard to recognize which is better than the other. However, regarding the audio testing, you can see or you can hear that the audio from the GoPro Hero 7 Black seems to be louder and clearer. And now we're going to look at the last feature from the GoPro Hero 7 Black, which is not available on the GoPro Hero 6. And that new feature is called warp stabilization. To some, you might already know what warp stabilization is, but for those who haven't known this kind of feature yet, let me explain you in a very simple key term. Warp stabilization is actually similar to time-lapse function. So people use time-lapse just to, add the ingredient to their videos, because time-lapse gives you a better look and different experience capturing different locations or movement. But the problem is when it comes to filming the time-lapse, you have to put or place your camera somewhere steady. Otherwise, a bit of movement will ruin everything that you are shooting. But the warp stabilization is completely opposite. Because warp stabilization, what you can do is just to handheld your camera and walk around, just film whatever you want to film with the phenomenal result, which is one of the best feature for the GoPro Hero 7. However, this is not surprised me the most, because I also have the ability to film this kind of similar feature by using my Osmo Mobile 2. As you know, Osmo Mobile 2 is affordable. The price is about $120, and the result is also different because it depends on the smartphone you're using. Unlike on the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the camera is what built in for that GoPro. But for Osmo, if you already own one, I don't think the GoPro Hero 7, the warp stabilization is something that you're looking for. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and now I'm sure that you are able to make your own judgment which one you should go for. The GoPro Hero 6 or the 7 Black, okay? Or even the Osmo Mobile 2, because I already share my experience, okay, filming this kind of new feature which has just been built on the GoPro Hero 7 Black. That is also one of the reasons that I don't recommend for those who already own the GoPro Hero 6 to go for the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So I think that should be all guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, suggestions, or any idea regarding all of these gadgets, please let me know in the comment down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks.